Marcos for releasing from his contingent fund 125 million plus 70 million for other expenses, pero yung 125 for confidential fund. Sinasabi ng mga experts, including former Senate President Trilon, that is unconstitutional. You can refer to the interview of Trilon and sino yung sa ABS? No, the other one. Karen Davila. Sinasabi ni Trilon, what Marcos did was unconstitutional kasi naglipat siya ng item, ng pera from the contingent to confidential fund. Wala namang item in the general appropriation. Bawal po lang mag-comment according to the Constitution. It's a violation of law to transfer funds when there is no item. You cannot comment unless savings. Ang contingent fund is not savings. Only savings can be used by the President. So, Marcos has violated. Bago nyo sampahan si Sara, si Marcos muna ang sinampahan namin. Kasi siya ang source ng pera na ginastos ni Sara Duterte.